Hey loves, this is Tinola and you know what time it is. You know what time it is, baby. It's time for Vlogmas 3. The theme for this Vlogmas today is glow up. It's been a crazy 2020 and there's been a lot of anxiety in the air. There's been a lot of stress, and now during this Christmas period there's also been a lot of excitement. So what other best time do you have to glow up? It's right now. You've probably been working all year long, taking out 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, a month, or even 1 hour to take care of yourself does no harm. Self-care is basically self-love, and love isn't selfish. So this glow up Vlogmas is just to inspire you to do anything that can make you happy, that can make you feel relaxed, something rewarding. It could be you making your hair, it could be you doing some pedicure, manicure, it could be you doing some exercise like I'll be doing in this video. It could be anything. Just do anything to take care of yourself. Take out time to appreciate yourself. Be grateful for life. Be happy. Be relaxed. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. This is Tinola, and on this platform I share contents on hair, beauty and healthy lifestyle. So feel free to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell beside it. That way you guys get more contents from me every single time I release a video, which is like every week, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. This period I'm doing Vlogmas, weekly Vlogmas, so you can check out my other weekly Vlogmas. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I want to make Christmas hair. Abina, I got to look good for Christmas, even though we are on lockdown and we're not going anywhere. But I still want to look good for Christmas, so I'm doing this for myself. Also, I'm going to be mixing my hair cream. Let me just show you guys what I will be using. This is the hair I'll be using right here, and I'm going to make a different video for the hair so you guys can see a detailed tutorial on the hairstyle I'll be making. And I got it from Amazon, by the way. Came in like 1 day delivery, and it's from Vegan Hair. So for the hairstyle, you guys will probably see the hair video, the tutorial before you see it. So please check out the hair video if you want a detailed tutorial on the hair that I'll be making. And if you also want to get the hair, if you want to get your Christmas hair, y'all should check the link that I'll put below. For my hair cream, I'm going to be using shea butter, raw organic shea butter. And I have this upcycled empty container here where I'm going to be putting in some vitamin E and argan oil. And I have essential oil, which I'm going to be using mostly lavender. And I'll also be using castor oil. I got this castor oil from Amazon. I got most of the things here from Amazon, by the way. If you guys have seen my Amazon video, you will have seen me review these products and talk about them. But this castor oil is a new one. I got it for my lashes and my hair. So castor oil, yeah, oil is the best. I started off this glow up vlog yesterday by mixing my hair cream and making my hair. Now I'm not recommending you do so, but it's just what I wanted to do for myself. And you can always choose what you want to do for yourself that would make you happy, relaxed and refreshed. So it's already 5 minutes since I left the oil in the fridge, and this is what it looks like. It's beginning to cool down actually, and it's looking good. As you guys can see, corners are already getting thick, but I still have a lot of oil in the middle, so I'm going to let it stay in the fridge for a little longer. In the meantime, I have to get started with my hair video. I'll be showing you what I did to my hair yesterday in a few minutes. Today I decided to work out since it's been a while. Guys, exercise helps in building your physical and mental strength, and it also helps to stay positive. I started off with some yoga stretches for about 15 minutes, although I suck at it, but wait, who cares? For the next 25 minutes, I'll be doing a dance workout.
And make sure you're stepping your feet as well. Let's get everybody to put muscle as possible involved in this workout. Right shoulder. Hey. That's it. Other side. Let's go. Hey. Well done. Let's take it like this. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Even though it's a warm up, still have fun with it, okay? That's it. Okay. Let's take our hands up. 1 and 2. So side to side. Let's stretch through. And down. Let's go. Okay. That's it. Let's repeat. Hey. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Other side. Let's go. Hey. Well done. Give me your side. Shake people up. Hey. Hey. That's it. Let's march. Okay, we're going to be using our waist quite a lot in this routine. So, like this. Hey! On your tiptoe, side to side. Don't go down too. One more. Woo! Hey! Hey! That's it. And up. Let's get a little bit lower. With the waist again. 1, 2. Nice. Once I'm done with my dance workout, I will continue with 15 minutes of booty exercise. Guys, I will be following Booty King and he is amazing. It teaches great workout for booty, for waist. If you guys want to check him out, I'm going to put a link also down below. We're gonna go into this. You ready? 4, 3, 2, let's go. Single, single, double. Hey! 2 more. Hey! We're done with it. We're gonna throw our arms back. 4, 3, 2, let's go. Right. Left. And double. And again. Left. Right. Double. 2 more. Woo! Last one. Let's go. Hey. Woo. 3, 4. Other side. Let's go. Hey. Hey. Woo. Hands up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Stretch through. Down. Up. Last one. Step. Hey. 2. That's amazing. 3. Let's step it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. You ready? Hey. 2. As we wait. Get ready? You ready? Let's go. Hey. Hey. What's the action? Hey. 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 Keep going. Keep going. 3, 2, other side. Nice and slow. Woo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Few more. One more time.
got a big thing that's large. Woo. Next one. Okay. We're going to do some shaky shaky stuff. 1, 2, and again. 1, 2, 1. We're going to go nice and fast. 1, 2. Hey! Hey! Another action. If you want. Hey! Hey! Just do it on the back to you. Nice and gentle for now. So almost. Sorry, one more. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. All right.
Okay guys, I'm done with working out and I'm going to take protein shake smoothie. It's usually recommended to take protein after working out because your muscles are already on fire and your muscles need protein. Once my bananas are getting soft and almost getting spoiled, I just toss them in the freezer to preserve them. So I'm going to be using these frozen bananas. I'm adding this whey protein that I've been using for a while now and it's almost done, but guys, the flavor is so good. I got this one from Walmart and it's really good. So almost a cup. I'm adding some almond nuts using this almond milk. This one has almond coconut flavor. The whey protein has vanilla flavor. I'm also using almond and banana, and I'm using this small yogurt here. So by the time I mix everything up, it's going to taste sweet, naturally sweet. I'm adding cold water and you can also add some ice cubes if you want.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's VLOGMAS.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh,
This protein shake recipe is more of a weight gain recipe. If you guys are trying to lose weight, this might not be the best one. And yeah, I don't mind taking this. I love taking this recipe because I don't mind gaining a little bit of weight in the right places. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you are, click the like button. Okay, wow, this is what we're looking like post makeup. I love this hair. I absolutely love this hair. You guys can check out this hair tutorial if you're interested. It's called Distress Butterfly Locks. I have a video on it. It's already out on my channel, so check it out if you're interested. Guess what time it is? It is time for giveaway. I'm so excited to announce Christmas giveaway. This is just my small way of saying thank you to my lovely subscribers, to everyone that has supported my channel so far. 2020 has been crazy, but I just want to say thank you. I just want to show you love in every way I can, and I just want to show you that I appreciate you guys. And this giveaway is pretty easy, pretty straightforward. For you to participate in the giveaway and to potentially win it, and trust me, you can win the giveaway. It's really easy. How do you win the giveaway? Pretty straightforward, because I don't want to stress you guys. I just want you to win it easily. So the first thing is you need to be subscribed to my channel. Subscribe. It's free. Second thing is you need to follow me on all my social media platforms, which are Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. The third thing is you need to watch all my VLOGMAS videos. Calm down, it's very easy. I only have 3 VLOGMAS videos, and you need to share any video on my channel with 2 friends. It could be any of my videos. It doesn't have to be a VLOGMAS video. Any video that you like on my channel and you want to share with someone else. So you have to share with 2 people at least. I also need to see that you watched this video to the end, you liked this video, and you comment down below. Done. Or you can put any comment down below. Now, for me to know that you have participated in this giveaway and for me to know who the winner is, you need to send me a proof on Instagram. You need to send me a screenshot of all the things you've done on Instagram. I myself will confirm the other things to make sure we are giving the prize to the right person. No cheating guys, no cheating. So that's pretty much it for you to win this giveaway. Like I said, I really want to make it easy because this is just my own way of saying thank you and just showing love in the little way I can. The prize for the giveaway is going to be $50 in cash or in gifts, so whichever one you prefer. Now, this giveaway does not come with any tax or shipping fee or anything like that, so it's going to be really easy for you. So anybody can participate. Wherever you are, whatever country you are from, you can definitely participate in this giveaway. Don't forget to share this video with people so that they can also get the opportunity to participate in this giveaway. Don't just watch it and keep it alone. Like, you people should share. It starts on December 20th, ends on December 22nd. December 24th, I'll be announcing the winner on my IG, so stay tuned. If you're not following me on Instagram and you're participating in this giveaway, you need to follow me, and I'll also announce the winner on YouTube here probably on the 25th. We'll see. That's it for the giveaway, and thank you guys for watching this video so far. Yeah, I can't wait to know the person that's gonna win. I can't wait. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around with me. I hope this video has been helpful or has been inspiring or just entertaining, whichever one it is. Like I said at the beginning of this video, this glow of VLOGMAS is just to, encourage us to take care of ourselves, to pay attention to ourselves. It's been a rough year, so you deserve to just pamper yourself, even if it's 1 hour, 2 hours a day, whatever. And it could be anything. You could just do anything to just take care of yourself. And that's just me promoting self-love, self-care, and your well-being all together. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next videos. Stay tuned and love you. Don't forget to spread love and light. Bye guys.